So the sine rule is really great because it helps you find the missing side in a triangle and a missing angle in a triangle, even if it's not a right angle triangle. The sine rule formula is A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. You can also write it the other way with the fractions flipped. So the main thing to keep in mind here is that the side A is always opposite the angle A, and the side labeled B is opposite the angle B, and side labeled C is always opposite the angle C. And as long as you know either 3 of the 4 things, you can always solve for the missing part. So if you knew 2 sides and an angle A, you could find the missing angle B. Or if you knew 2 angles, A and B, and you knew one of the sides, then you could find the other missing A. Problem 1. Use the sine rule to find the length of AB. So length of AB is this length here, and because it's opposite the angle C, let's label that C. And we're given angle B and we're given the length B. So let's write this down in our sine rule formula. So this we're just going to call C. Alright, so B is 6 over sine of 65 equals C over sine of 37. Now to get C by itself, let's multiply both sides by sine 37, and we end up with 6 sine 37 over sine of 65 will give us what C is. So let's put this in our calculator, and remember to have your calculator in degrees mode as these angles are in degrees. And the answer that we get is 3.98. We round it off to 2 decimal places. So this here is 3.98 centimeters. So what's the length of AB? To 2 decimal places. Alright, let's look at a harder question. Use the sine rule to find the angle theta. So here's our angle theta. We can see that in terms of our sine rule, it's the angle C. Now, we don't know the side opposite the angle C either, so we cannot use the sine rule directly on C. But we do know the side opposite angle B, and we know what angle A and side A are. So let's find the angle B, and then we can use the fact that angles in a triangle add up to 180 to figure out what angle C is. So let's begin by finding angle B. I'm going to write the formula flipped now because we're trying to find the angle. Equals sine of 38 over 8. So to get sine B by itself, let's multiply both sides by 9, and we're going to get sine B equals 9 times sine 38 all over 8. And then to get B, we need to do sine inverse of that. So B is going to be sine inverse Alright, so let's put that in our calculator. Again, remember to have it in degrees mode. And the angle that we end up getting is 43.84 to 2 decimal places. Now, we know what this angle is, so that's 43.84. Now, we know that angles in a triangle add up to 180. So this plus this plus this will give us 180. Now, let's minus these from 180 to get theta. And we get 98.16 degrees to 2 decimal places. A quick summary. The sine rule gives us the relationship between an angle and the side opposite that angle. And it tells us that the ratio of that for each side and its angle is the same. When can we use it? When we have one pair of angle and the side and one of the other given. So in total, we need to know either 2 angles and a side or 2 sides and an angle.